బేసిక్గా సినిమాటోగ్రఫర్ కానీ మ్యూజిక్ డైరెక్టర్ కానీ వీళ్ళందరికీ ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఒక స్టోరీ వాళ్ళకి వెళ్ళి నరేట్ చేస్తారు, నాకు ఇలా కావాలి అని చెప్పేస్తారు. మీరు చెప్పిన సిచ్యుయేషన్కి వాళ్ళకు ఇంకొక థాట్ వస్తే ఇలా కూడా చేస్తే బాగుంటుంది అన్నప్పుడు మీరు వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చే సజెషన్స్ని లేకపోతే ఇలా చేద్దాం అనే దాన్ని యూ విల్ యాక్సెప్ట్ ఇట్ ఆర్ అది కాదు అని వాళ్ళని కన్విన్స్ చేస్తారా?
No, I accept. I'm a team member. If anybody comes up, even with artists also, I'm like that only. I don't say I want this expression, open your eyes like that, open your mouth like that. I don't say.
You'll take whatever they give, which is best.
I'll tell them, see, this is the mood, but I give them a lot of information. ఈ క్యారెక్టర్ ముందు సీన్ ఇలా చేస్తారు, నెక్స్ట్ సీన్ ఇలా ఉంటుంది, సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్టార్ట్ దిస్ అండ్ ఎండ్ దిస్. ఈ మధ్యలో మీరు ఎలా చేయాలో చేసుకోండి. అండ్ ఇఫ్ దే సే, ఇఫ్ ఐ ఫీల్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ వాట్ ఐ వాంటెడ్, ఐ విల్ టెల్ దెమ్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ వాట్ ఐ వాంటెడ్, అండ్ దే విల్ చేంజ్ ఇట్. బట్ ఐ గివ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రీడమ్ టు ఆర్టిస్ట్ to express themselves. Alage technicians kuda, the good thing, I mean, my principle is to give them all the freedom and let them own the movie. As a filmmaker, that's what I wanted to do, is make everybody in the set, right from the spot boy to the assistant director to the actor, to own the movie. They have to feel it's their movie, not Vianand's movie or Meghnad's movie or Nikhil's movie. So Ashram felt that way. He felt that this is his movie and he has to take it to the next level. So alage prati okka technician they own తీసుకున్నారు. అలాంటప్పుడు they will come up with the ideas, you know, all these cinematography ideas and all Ashram gave.
Okay.
I was kicked. Off-center cinematography he gave. Let's go with this palette and that palette and choosing the costume styling and everything. He gave information that I took it. That's how the movie goes to the next level. And every movie will look the same then. If it is because of the technician that it looks different actually. Yeah.
షూట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు what was the best experience you had? అంటే బాగా నవ్వి చాలా హిలేరియస్ గా నవ్విన సిచ్యుయేషన్
అదే ఒక సైకాట్రిక్ క్లినిక్ లో వెన్నెల కిషోర్ అండ్ పృథ్వీ సీన్ ఇస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద, I mean, we laughed out loud. It was very funny to shoot, and their chemistry, their tit for tat was very funny.
Okay.
That is one sequence in the first half which we all saw. I mean, we loved it. It's not a open loud comedy. It was very subtle, but it was very, very funny. And then House lo kuda again Vennela Kishore Satya and hero combination, Sudarshan combination lo oka scene untadi. It was hilarious scene, and it was shot in one shot, no cuts, but it's a comedy scene, and it was very good actually. We loved it. Other than that, challenging sequence aithe cave temple, we went for a cave temple, and it's Karnool cave temple, and we have to walk in 1.5 kilometers inside, underneath the cave. There's very little oxygen, and so we wanted to shoot a sequence, and we got permission to shoot for evening 5 to morning 5. So 12 hours at a stretch we need to shoot in Karnool. We went in with full light setup. They were like burning lights. And then Sashram is non-compromising. He said, I wanted smoke. So we brought in a lot of smoke, sambrani smoke and everything. Then we had this diesel kagras. That was also lit because we wanted that setup inside. So that from that smoke is coming, and the sambrani smoke is there. And then these lights, and it's 1.5 kilometers down, and then you're inside stuck. The thing is, smoke doesn't have a ventilation to leave. So you can imagine so much of smoke stuck in the cave. It's not going out. There's only a small vent with an exhaust fan. That too in the middle of a cave. So it goes out, but it never goes. So smoke stays there. And we shot 12 hours in that smoke. And it was challenging to shoot. Definitely. They have to express. I was literally scared. It was a scary moment. I was literally asking the production to take care of people, give them water. If somebody is there, go out, take fresh air and come back. Let's take turns. I was very scared. Another thing is cave lo fire vachestademo, and we also used gas also. Gas lo fire used. So even that was also there. That was also a very scary part. And enclosed place.
Complete ga inkem ledu meeku, complete close ayyi.
But everybody was sportive and they took it as a challenge. And visual lo baagundi ante.
Visual obviously baagundi.
Has to be.
Yeah.
And such an important sequence, and it's one of the most challenging day ever for all of us.
Any day shoot just one day?
Just one day, but 12 hours at a stretch from evening 5 to next day morning 5. Me, Nikhil, Vennela Kishore, the whole team was there.
Okay.
And there is an artist called Billy. So all these people, a lot of కొన్ని juniors, and this whole team is under the cave. It's very tough. Even to walk out, you need to travel at like almost a kilometer to come up. So people are tired to walk up and get up fresh oxygen and then come down. It was tough actually. We were like, I am very scared. Everybody took it very sportive. We did it actually.
వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ విల్ డూ అని చెప్పి చేసినందుకు, అండ్ యూ ఆల్రెడీ హ్యావ్ టీజర్ తోటే అది ప్రూవ్, ఐ మీన్ మీరు రిలీజ్ చేసిన టీజర్ తోటే అది ప్రూవ్ అయింది. ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఇట్స్ గోయింగ్ టు బి అ హిట్ డెఫినెట్లీ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
అండ్ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ అండ్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
మీరు మళ్ళీ సక్సెస్ మీట్లో మనం మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ ష్యూర్ 100%, and even I'm watching it on the first day.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations and all the best, sir.
Thank you. Delivery time laga feel out now. Since I'm a father of a kid, I know. And this is almost like not equal to that by any chance, but still it's like a nervousness. అంటే ఇప్పుడు దాకా న్యూట్రిషన్ ఇచ్చి మళ్ళీ స్కాన్ చేసి బాగా వస్తుందా అని ప్రతి స్టేజ్లో మనం థింక్ చేసినా కూడా లాస్ట్ మినిట్ డెలివరీ అయిన టైంలో అన్ని కరెక్ట్గా జరగాలి, ఆ టెన్షన్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఐఎమ్ ఫీలింగ్ ద సేమ్ నర్వస్నెస్ అండ్ టెన్షన్. బట్ సో ఫార్ ఇట్స్ బీన్ అ గుడ్ జర్నీ.